Hey people, so we are at the Dal Lake and it is like 7:30 in the morning. Yeah, but I'll be honest, 8, it's become 8. And this is how the Dal Lake in Srinagar, Kashmir looks like at 8 in the morning. There are these houseboats and shikaras. We're surrounded by mountains, yeah. It's, it's quite beautiful really. Kashmir is a place that everyone should visit once because it can teach you so much. I mean, you realize that you can be living in one of the most beautiful places on earth, but day-to-day life is very different from just a picture postcard beauty. Oh, that's a mountain, I think, or yeah, something. So it's so now I need to head back to my this place. There's a busy road in ahead. I need to head back, and breakfast is apparently waiting. But yeah, this is how the Dal Lake looks like, people. And next time I'll try to not show my big round face. But yeah, this is how it looks, and I hope to catch up with you all soon enough. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.